Welcome back, learners. We've discussed before getting an apartment or a house. What we'd like to discuss today is a few repairs you can do around your house. And in order to do repairs, you're going to need basic tools. We're going to talk about basic tools. The first tool we're going to talk about is the most primitive. This is a hammer. A hammer. We can use the hammer to drive nails. We can use the hammer to move pieces of wood. We can straighten or bend things with a hammer. A hammer is spelled H-A-M-M-E-R. There are all kinds of hammers. I have rubber hammers. This is a steel hammer or a claw hammer. This end is used for removing a nail. You can use it as a pry bar, like a lever, to remove nails or screws. We also have a screwdriver. That's a screwdriver. And you use this to put in screws. Get your wrist very tired. They come in two kinds. This is a regular head. It is flat. The other kind looks like a cross, and it's called a Phillips head. It's a screwdriver. Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R. Now that's a compound word. You take a screw and you drive it. The thing you do it with is a screwdriver. We're also going to talk about a kind of tool that comes in all kinds of shapes and sizes. This is one of my favorite pair of pliers. It's very old. This is another similar pair of pliers. These are used by plumbers and electricians. Here's a little tiny pair of pliers used for manipulating wire. They're called pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S. Just like pants are plural because of two legs, pliers have two pieces. One arm, two arms. So we use a plural word, pliers. We also have a couple of kinds of saw. This is a hand saw. And you can see it's got little sharp teeth there. And those teeth cut things when we go back and forth. But along with our hand saw, saw, S-A-W. Along with our hand saw, we also have electric saws. This saw runs on electricity, and this piece spins very quickly, very fast. And we can cut through wood or plastic or lots of commercial fiber. This is another kind of saw called an electric saw. The last tool today for you gets all kinds of use in my house. This is one of my drills. And if we push this button, you can see the end spins. We can use this to drive in screws. We can drill holes in objects and in walls. We can use this to wind wire. All kinds of uses for a drill. Drill. D-R-I-L-L. I recommend, if you're going to have a place and take care of it yourself, you get one or two good hammers. You get a good saw, either a hand saw or you can get an electric rotary saw. This is a circular saw because the blade goes in a circle. You'll want 2 or 3 sizes of screwdriver, a couple of pairs of pliers, both small and bigger, and you'll also need a drill. With these basic tools, you can fix almost anything that goes wrong in your house if you learn how to do it. There are lots of good videos online. You can always reach out and ask me, and if you need to borrow a tool, I may just loan one to you. You folks stay safe. Wash your hands thoroughly. Wear a mask. Stay at home as much as possible. We want you to be safe, especially if you're using your tools. Come back and see us soon. We'll have new vocabulary to go over. I hope this finds you well. Much peace.